Hey everybody, Nate here with BDS Suspension, and today we have the all-new 2022 Ford Lightning. Now this is Ford's all-electric pickup truck, and we are excited to have it here as our engineers are going to start diving into this truck and tearing it apart and figuring out how to make all the cool off-road lift kits and suspension systems that you've come to love. Now, to my left, this is Workplay. This is our 2021 Ford F150 Limited, and it's got our 6-inch Fox coilover conversion on it, and this truck is a straight up beast out on the trails, as well as it's awesome to just live with day to day when we go and drive it to and from shows. Stupid flies. Make sure you, oh, that fly is gonna, Make sure you stick around to our social media pages for all updates on the Ford Lightning. As always, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you guys next time. Oh, that's neat. Oops, it's even got a little measuring thing in there too. It is super hot outside. I am sweating through this shirt. Maximum weight capacity for the trunk is 400 pounds. I'm really hot. See this? I'm sweaty. This is really hot outside. I know what the problem is. Ain't got no gas in it. Haven't heard that one before. More to come.